Hey guys, it's Dan here, and I'm real happy to be back cooking for you guys today. It's been about 3 weeks since I've done a cast iron Wednesday because I've been super busy in life and everything. But what I'm going to make for you today, I'm going to make a chicken stir fry. Hopefully you guys enjoy this. It's going to be my dinner tonight. I'm just pouring a little bit of olive oil in here. Get that going around. And then this is 2¼ pound of skinless, boneless chicken breast that I just put salt and pepper on it. And I'm going to get this all browned up. But yeah, I've really missed cooking for you guys and everything. I apologize for my little hiatus from YouTube. But like I said, it's just life has been super busy. I really hope you guys enjoy this recipe I'm going to do today. My version of this is a little bit on the spicy side, but if you've seen my previous videos, you know that I do like everything a little bit spicy. So I'm going to brown this up, and I'll be right back with you here in just a couple minutes. Alright guys, I've got this nicely browned up. I've cooked it probably about 75% through. I'm going to remove this for right now and just set it on a plate over here. And then I'm going to start on my stir fry part. Get all this chicken out. Man, look at all that goodness still on the bottom of that pan. That's going to make this taste great. I am sure of it. Alright, got all that out of there. I'm just going to put a little more oil in the bottom of this. Like I said, I'm just using the generic olive oil. And then in my classic cooking, I'm just using a bag of this broccoli stir fry. It already has everything in it you need. You know me, no fuss, no muss. I don't like a lot of prep time or everything. I just pulled this straight out of the freezer. This already has your broccoli in it, has your carrots in it, cauliflower, snap peas, white corn, mushroom, water chestnuts, and red peppers. I mean, it has everything you need for a good stir fry without any of the prep work or anything. And as you can tell, I do like a lot of chicken. That's why I'm putting over 2 pounds of chicken in this. But let me get all this cooked up real good, and then I'll be back. I'll show you my next part here in just a few minutes. I'm going to start prepping the sauce. Alright guys, my sauce is super easy. This is just 1 cup of soy sauce. And I'm going to put it in here. And then I've got myself a 1/4 cup of sriracha, the chili hot sauce. Might end up having to get a spoon to get the rest of that out, but let me get this whisked together. And the 1 cup of soy sauce, the 1/4 cup of this sriracha. The sriracha just adds the right amount of heat to this. And this is going to be my sauce for the stir fry. So, as soon as I get to the next step, I'll be right back with you. Alright, I've got this all cooked down and everything. Everything's softening up nicely. So I am going to go ahead and I'm going to add the chicken back in. Give everything a good nice mix. Get everything evenly distributed. And then the sauce that I just made, I'm going to pour all over it. Mix everything around, make sure everything gets good and coated with that sauce. And like I said earlier, I only cooked the chicken to about 75% done because I'm going to let this sauce reduce. And while this sauce is reducing, the chicken will end up getting fully cooked. But I believe everything's good and coated. Man, that smells great. I just got one little thing to add, and I'm not going to add a whole lot of it, but just a little bit of crushed red pepper flake, just to add a hair more heat to it. Because like I said, we like stuff spicy around here. Alright, well, I'm going to continue to stir this for a little bit, make sure everything's good and coated. Once the sauce reduces down, I'll show you what it looks like. But for the most part, this is the entire meal. All I got to do is wait for the chicken to get fully cooked, which won't take very long at all. And for this sauce right here to reduce down. And we'll be eating good tonight. I just wanted to show you real quick. You see I have this at a pretty good boil right now. That's how I'm reducing it down. I know I cut the last part off before it got up to a boil. Like I said, within 5 minutes this is going to be done. Alright, I don't know if you can tell or not, but this has reduced probably, I would say, at least half, if not 2/3. And it's thickening up nicely. And once I take it off the heat, it'll even thicken up a little bit more. So I'm going to call this done. I'm going to go get me a plate of this, and I'll be back with a taste test. So I'll see you guys here in just a few minutes. Really hope you enjoyed this recipe and everything. If you like my videos, please hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see my future videos. Hit the notification bell so you get notified when I put them out. Leave comments. I love answering everybody's comments. But I'll be back here in just a few minutes for a taste test. Like I said, I hope everybody enjoyed this. I understand the heat isn't for everybody. You can leave out the sriracha if you don't like it, or you could use even like a mild hot sauce or something. Make it the way you want it. This is just the way I cooked it. I'm just showing you an example of how to do stuff. Make each and every recipe your own. Alright guys, I don't know if you can see what this looks like and everything. I just put a little bit on this plate because I actually have some rice boiling inside the house. I'm going to put this over a bed of rice because, you know, I'm not on a low-carb diet, but my wife, she probably won't eat it with rice because she is on a low-carb diet. But let me try a piece of this chicken real quick. That is very good, good flavor. You got some of the vegetables. Once again, I apologize for talking with my mouth full, but man, that's very good. It does have a little bit of heat on the backside, but nothing bad at all. Nothing that a little bit of a sip of your drink can't cure. Well, you all have a blessed day, and once again, thank you very much for watching my video.